Roadmap to become a web designer. What does a web designer do? A web designer creates visually appealing and user-friendly website layouts and interfaces. Where it's used, web design is used in websites, web apps, digital products, and online businesses. Start with the basics. Learn design principles like color theory, typography, layout, and visual hierarchy. Learn design tools. Work with tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Photoshop. Understand UI/UX concepts. Focus on user experience, usability, and user journeys. Learn basic front-end skills. Understand HTML and CSS to bring designs to life. Explore responsive design. Design websites that work across mobile, tablet, and desktop. Learn wireframing and prototyping. Create wireframes and interactive prototypes. Understand design systems. Learn consistency, components, and reusable design patterns. Focus on accessibility. Design inclusive interfaces for all users. Build a strong portfolio. Create website designs, landing pages, and UI projects. Stay updated with trends. Follow modern UI/UX trends and best practices. Be ready for challenges. Balancing creativity with usability and client requirements. Think like a web designer. Focus on aesthetics, usability, and user satisfaction. Design beautiful digital experiences. Start your journey today and become a web designer creating impactful websites.